Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. On the daily chart, the situation is developing really slowly. So you can see market mostly is calling around 1260 area as major support. That has the special meaning for the short-term perspective, because the market will drop below it. It will lead market to the further targets to the downside, or even could become the sign of the reversal that we are expecting to get, but by our thought that we mostly think that market probably will show another leg up first, and only after that will drop. So right now, even on the gold market, we see some signs of the slowdown. The first big sign was here when the initial upward thrust has stopped. Market has turned to some consolidation and even has started to form the hand shoulders, but later this pattern has failed. The market is trying to continue to move high. Right now it has hit the 127 extension of the butterfly, and honestly speaking, that's really 127 is also important target is 1618. We just have some signs that points on the possible further continuation here, but it's not clear yet. Although we still stands on the opinion that market really could continue to move higher, but this situation is not clear. Currently, until market holds above this above this areas in 1260, it keeps chance on the further upward continuation. Once market will drop below it, this probably will tell that reversal here could start even earlier, based on this 127 butterfly, but not 1618. So let's see what we will get. On the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see, situation is developing as a bit more dramatically compared to the forex market, because if on the forex market we see just drop down, and the market right now is calling around important levels and stands almost at the edge of the possible bearish breakout. On the gold market we see the rebound. So yes, on the recent comments from the Fed representatives that has pushed assets down against the dollar, so they support the dollar. I mean, the comments from the Fed representative that said that markets are too pessimistic on the view on the United States economy. This has pushed markets down across the board. But right now we see the rebound up on the gold market, and since it stands above this bottom, as we said, market still keeps chances on the further continuation, because here we could get, for example, the butterfly. This could be the left wing, and market could start to up right wing action. And if you will measure the extension, we probably has done this yesterday, you'll see that 1618 target stands at the same area as this larger one, a butterfly. That's why, guys, this situation is really very thrilling right now. It's very important. Once market will drop below it, here we could get another butterfly. For example, this could become the left wing, and market will drop right here. So you can see the 1618 extension stands at 1240. This agrees with the 1618 target of this A, B, C, top, D pattern. That will be next short-term target. It's also accompanied by the, as you can see, monthly pivot support one. This will be the next level that we'll be watching for. A market will break it. But guys, take a look that this is weekly pivot point and confluence support, and agreement with this A, B, C, D target. If market will drop through the confluence, this level will be weaker, and it's really not really big chances that this will be able to keep it from the further drop and reverse market back to the upside again. That's why this level looks preferable from the bullish perspective to keep market and to push it higher. So that's why today retail sales report will be very important. As I said in today's Forex update video, the retail sales takes the great part of the gross domestic product. They have big correlation, approximately 75% correlation for the gross domestic product, and this will be special attention to the numbers that we will get today later in the session, because this will be retail sales for the April, and April is the month of the second quarter. Seasonally, United States economy is weak in the first quarter and rebounds in the second quarter. That's why the April retail sales will every time has the special meaning for the markets, because market participants would like to see the real improving and increasing of the retail sales. If they see the good retail sales, they are coming down and they think that everything is okay. So the second quarter, as usual, economy is rebounding. It's normal. It's okay. But if retail sales will be poor, that will be something that stands out of the normal behavior, and this could lead to the real significant action on the market, especially on the gold market. So if the retail sales will be poor, as market really could show the very fast acceleration to the upside. In this case, chance on the hitting 1330 area will be very significant. That's why, as I said, if you're still holding the long position, you could keep it, since market hasn't taken out these lows yet, and it still keeps chance on the further upward continuation. So let's see what we will get as a result of the current session, what retail sales numbers we will get, and what action we will get by the end of the current week.